a makeup chair.
Parang
And a beautiful style.
in a lazy boy ka lang eh.
Girl kasi, you know, ang energy ng momshi talaga. Ganda ng makeup artist ko.
Ako ba yun?
Yes! Thank you.
Bye!
Ba't yung bubis ko magkagalit pala? So, ayan, tao na ulit.
Everybody has a swimsuit body.
Yeah. Love it, love it, love it.
Work it, girl.
Let's see, please.
Okay.
Lift mo na yung butt mo, Abe. There you go. Step 2. There you go.
Set ang position ng pagka-boyfriend's picture. Friend requested.
Bring all the girls together.
Yeah.
Yes, work it. Thank you. Oo, bring it up. Bring it up. There you go.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye. Thank you.
And down a bit. Very down. Okay, very nice. And then,
Hey, Hershey.
hi.
Go, Chucky, go. Username.
Nice. There, next.
Nice. Elongator neck, please. Thank you.
Okay. Without that? Okay.
Hindi pa meron na lang.
Rampa, aura, go. More, charge.
Wala ba tayo?
Taray ng ano. Transformation.
Oh my God. Really ko, may balaga sa'yo. No, I mean, hindi talaga ako good sa skirt.
Ano to?
Yes.
Manga.
Category is
Yeah, ganyan-ganyan na tayo.
dalagang ano.
Okay.
No matter.
Talaga Filipina, yeah.
Ano pa yun?
Skip there.
Luciani.
Side, side.
Ganda.
Side to side. Ariana Grande.
Sa side lang tayo. Para busy. Okay. Asa side ka?
That's shade.
Kasi hawakan mo lang siya. Yeah, good.
Yes.
Nice. One more.
Kakainis, di na kailangan bigyan ng instruction. So,
Then,
Aura, aura.
sa ulo. Cute.
Ganda.
Side lang tayo. Side. Cute. Then shade side.